Hello dear kids. In our last video, we have been discussing about the exercise 1.3 in the chapter number system, right? So now let us go for the next problem, that is fourth problem. So until the third problem, we have discussed few of the things. The fourth problem is express 0.9999 and so on in the form of P by Q. Are you surprised by your answer? With your teacher and classmates, discuss why the answer makes sense. Have you understood the question? What we are supposed to do? We are supposed to do 0.9999 in the form of P by Q. Okay, if you find out this, then you are going to surprise, no? So let us go for the finding answer. Okay, definitely you are going to surprise with the answer here. I know it. Why? Because this 0.99 is going to show some other only. Okay, so now what we are supposed to do is, as you have been done in your last class, we assume 0.99 as a x. Let x is equal to 0.9999 and so on. Okay, so now here repeating is only 9, right? So we have to multiply this one with a 10. Before that we can make this as a equation number 1. Okay, both sides we have to multiply with a 10. Multiply both sides by 10. So what is going to happen? It is x is going to become a 10x. Then next it is 0.9999 and so on into 10. That is going to become a 10x is equal to 1 decimal. No, sorry, here decimal point shift by 1 digit. That will be 9.9999 and so on, correct? So this will be your equation number 2. Okay, after finding equation number 1 and 2, what we are supposed to do? Equation 2 minus 1. Okay, what is equation number 2? At the left hand side it is 10x minus x. That is equal to, equation number 2 is containing 9.9999 and so on minus 0.9999 and so on. Okay, so when I subtract 10x minus x, I am going to get it as a 9x. Okay, here 9.9999 minus 0.9999. After a point, what we have? 999s only. Here also after the point, what we have? 999s only. So 9 minus 9, we are going to get it as a 0 only. So then 9 minus 0 is 9. So we want x. So that is 9 divided by 9. That we get, therefore x is equal to 1. How, sir? 9 and 9 gets cancelled by 1, sir. Okay. So we got x as a 1. Have you surprised now? Why? No means, see, check it out here. 9.9999 minus 0.9999. So here we got answer as 1. There is no difference only. Okay. So like this, to discuss among ourselves with the class and the classmates. You don't have a classmates now. Correct na? So you don't have a teacher. The teacher is in front of you. Your classmates are there in their home. Okay. Let us write what happened. That we can write it over here. What was happened for our surprising answer is. Okay. So the surprising is 0.9999 is going to become what? It goes forever. Goes forever. Okay. So if it goes forever, so there is no gap. There is no gap between which all? There is no gap between 1 and which one? That is 0.9999 and so on, right? Hence they are equal. Hence they are equal. Okay, in the maths we take always particular about the answers, right? So now you see here the answer is 0.9999 will be equal to 1. So according to us we will not leave anything. So the 0.99 nearly we take it as 1 now. Why? Because this is the reason. Like that proof we have. Okay children? Okay children, now we can go for the next question, that is 15th. So if I go on writing the complete question, we could not do the answer on the board. So that is the reason now we can read the question. So take your textbook onto your hand, see, keep the finger on that. The 15th question. Sorry, it is not a 15th question, it is the 5th question. What is there? The 5th question is, what can the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block of digits in the decimal expansion of 1 by 17? Perform the division to check your answer. So what they have been given? They have given one of a number, that is 1 divided by 17. Okay. So what will be its decimal? What will be its decimal expansion? When it is going to recurring, when it is going to get as a recurring decimal, that we have to check it out. To find out that, what we are supposed to do? We need to go for real division, right? So what is there in the denominator? That will be our divisor. Okay. What is there in the numerator? That will be our dividend. Okay. So then what we are supposed to do? We need to go for division process. Okay. So 17 is here. So will the 1 comes in that? It is a smaller, right? So we go for zeros. How much I am going to get? 17 zeros is 0. So when I subtract it, so I am going to get again a 1. So next what I can do? Again 1 if I get means I can put a 0. So that I can take a 10. So then next check it out. It is a 10. So I am going to get it. No, again it is a smaller, right? So again what I have to do? 17 zeros are 0. So how much I am going to get it? So I am going to get it 0 minus 0 is a 0. Then next 1 as it is. So again I got a 10. So now I have to go for one more. That is zeros are. Okay. If I go for zeros are, here it will be a 0. Okay. So then next 17, how much we have to go for? Okay. 5 is 17 5 is how much? 85. Okay. So when we subtract this, how much you are going to get? Here is a 5. Then next take up a carry, no. So then next here remained with a 1. Okay, again if you take a carry, why? Because 10 minus 9 is 1. Okay, this is the 0. So I remained with a 15. So the next I can take a 0 because the point is given. Okay, so the next how much 17 8s are. 17 8s are how much? 136. Okay, 136. If it is subtracted, how much I am going to get? Here I am going to get with a 4. So the next how much I am going to get? Here 1. So then it is 0. Okay, I already put a point, I can take up a 0. So again it is 140. Okay, so 140 means again you are going to 8s are. So how much you are going to get? 136. So then when it is with the subtracted to the 136, how much I remained here? I remained with a 4. It is taken a carry 0 0. So then point already put, you can take up a 0. So the next 17 2s are 34. So how much I remained? I remained with a carry 6. Okay, here it is a 0. So this 0 6 I got, right? So this I am going to take it as a 6 here. So the next I already put the point. No, I can take that as a 60. Okay, so this is continued over here. The 6 has become a 60 here. Okay, so the next 17, how much are? 17 3s are. 17 3s are how much? 50. So why? Because 17 3s are 51. Remained with how much? Here I remained with a 9. Okay, I got with a 90. Right. So the next I need to go to the 17 5s are. Okay, 17 5s are how much? 85. Okay, so I remained with a 5. Then next I already put a point. So take up a 0 over here. So the next here 17, how much are? 17 twos are 17 twos are 34. Okay, so remained with a 16. Okay, then next I can take up a 0. Okay, so then it is going to become a 160. So that now again I should reset 17 tables. So the next how much are? 17 nines are, it is 153. Okay, remained with a 7 only. Why? Because it will be 0 0. Okay, so that I can take up a then 0 over here. How much I am going to get? 70. So the next go for the 17 tables. 17 how much are? 17 fours are. Okay, 17 fours are how much? Here next reset the 17 tables. 17 fours are 68. Okay, so the next 68, if it is subtracted, I am going to get 2. No, so this 2 I am going to take here. Okay, 2 I have taken here, right? So now decimal point is being put. I can take it as a 20. So the next again I need to go for 17 ones are 17. So I have been remained with a 3 only. Okay, so then next as I already put a point, I can take up a 0. Okay, then again 17 ones are 17. How much I remained with? I am going to remain with a here 10 minus 7 is 3. Here next here I remained with a 1. Why? Because 3 minus 2 is 1. So that I can take up a 0 here. I remained with a 130. So the next 17 how much nearby one this one is there, 130 is there. So here I am going to take a 17 sevens are. Okay, 17 sevens are how much? 119. Okay, so 119 is over here. So then 10 minus 9 is 1. So next I remained with a 1. So it will be a 0. I remained with 11. So that I already put a point. No, I can take up a 0. Okay, so the next I need to go for 17 6 are. 17 6 are how much? 102. Okay, so the next here in this 0 2 has gone, means it's a 8. 0 cannot be right, it's a 10 minus 2 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. So then next again 1 minus 1 is 0. I remained with a 8. So I can make it as a 80. Why? Because I already put a point, right? So the next 18 how much I can take? So next 18 fours I can take. 18 fours how much? 68. Okay, so the next remained here with a 2. Okay, take up a carry. I remained here with a 1. So totally 12 remained. So this 12 I am going to take it over here. Okay, so as I already put a point, right? So that I can take up a 0 here. It is going to become a 120. So then next again I want to take it as a 17. How much? 17 sevens I will take. Okay, 17 sevens how much I remained here? I remained with a 119. It is not remained, it has become. So then I remained here with a 1. Take up a, this is also 0. So again remainder I got it as a 1. Okay children? Yeah, check it over children. I remained with a 1. No, I can take 0 now. How much I am going to become? Sorry, not I am not going to become. The number is going to become 10. So if it is a 10, check it out here. It is also 10, right? If it is a 10 means same thing is going to repeat. Isn't it? Instead of that, instead of going again still more, I can make here as a bar. Correct na? The same thing is going to repeat. How many digits are over here? Check it out. These many. So that you have been understood that there will be a terminating and non-terminating, recurring and non-recurring. How much you are going to get it? So like this many you need to do. Or else you need to have in your brain that we have to check it out for a 10-20 digits also. Okay children? Is this understood? If you have a doubts, you can ask me. But remember that to do this, if you don't want to get any confusion, means write 17 tables at the right hand side in your notebook so that you can go on doing it. Okay? How much and all will not be confused. Okay children? Okay, next questions we can see in the next video children. So, but only the thing I am going to tell you is don't get confused with it. If you wish, you do it in a long notebook to do this. Okay, like this, whenever you are taking one from the other, it should not be inside. I don't have that much of a big board, so I wrote beside itself. If you wish, you can write it at the right hand side by making a 2 parts. Okay children, for any doubts, you can call and contact me. Okay, bye-bye.